Hola, I'm Darkis and welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to be swatching the Winsor & Newton Professional Acrylics. I got this set a while back and I just haven't had a chance to play around with them or use them, but I figure I would do some swatching today and show you what they look like. The set comes in 6 colors and it comes in a nice metal box, and the size of the tubes are 20 ml. Here is a closer look. We have Azo Yellow Medium, Pigment PY74, Permanent Alizarin Crimson, PB29, Phthalo Blue Red Shade, PB15, Yellow Ochre, PY43, Mars Black, PBK11, and Titanium White, PW6. And here's a close-up of the black, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a line to check on the transparency of the paints. I'm also gonna show you what the paint looks like for each of them. Here we have the Azo Yellow Medium again. The Yellow Ochre. The Permanent Alizarin Crimson. The Phthalo Blue. Titanium White. And the Mars Black. I do my labels on the white canvas board. And I start off with my Azo Yellow Medium, and as you can see, it's very transparent, but very bright and pigmented. When I was doing the yellow ochre swatch, I put a bit way too much water than I needed to, and I ended up having to go back and do a second pass. But nevertheless, the color still came out very nice and rich. The red is also very transparent, but nevertheless still high pigmented, and it's a very beautiful red. And it blends really well. The Phthalo blue looks a lot like the Ultramarine blue. There's already someone that did a comparison of the two pigments PB15, Phthalo blue red shade, and M. Graham Ultramarine pigment PB29, and I'll leave the link in the description. I also did a comparison myself, which is at the end of the video, between the Golden's Ultramarine Blue PB29 and Winsor & Newton Phthalo Blue Red Shade PB15. Now I'm swatching the Titanium White, which is the most opaque from the set. And as I'm comparing them, I think that the Black Mars and the Yellow Ochre are similar in opacity. On this section, I'm just watering down the color, adding a little bit of white and mixing it less than halfway through just to see how each color blends. I loved working with these colors because they felt creamy and didn't lose their color intensity and richness. They blended so well, and I wasn't even trying. I was putting minimal effort into the blending and mixing for this section and the next, and they just did a marvelous job. Now I move to the color wheel and start mixing only blue, yellow, and red. And again, I'm not even trying, and you will see all the gorgeous colors that start coming out. For the second color wheel, again I'm using blue, yellow, and red, but this time I'm adding white. My favorite color was the bluish lavender that came out of the blue, red, and white mix. So there you have it, a quick swatching session of the beautiful Winsor & Newton professional acrylics. I haven't even used them yet, and I can already tell that I'm going to enjoy using them a lot. As soon as I create a painting, I'll be sure to put a link in the description, so be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I'll leave you with the close-ups and a special announcement. I launched my new website recently, darkisartwork.com, so be sure to check it out as I'm constantly updating it with new collections and artwork. And don't forget that it's okay to start ugly, and thanks for watching and sharing this video.